In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an assignment tracker using Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable spreadsheet to plan your coursework, see what's due next, and stay on top of priorities. Start by opening Excel and creating a new blank workbook. Think of this as your dashboard. We'll build a single simple table that's easy to update and scan at a glance. In the first row, type your column headers. These will guide everything that follows and make sorting and filtering effortless. Use the following headers from left to right: assignment name, course subject, due date, priority, status, and days left. Adjust column width so the text fits comfortably. It helps to bold the header row and apply a light fill color for readability. If you expect a long list, consider freezing the top row so headers stay visible as you scroll. For the due date column, set the cell format to date so Excel recognizes and sorts by it correctly. Next, let's make priority and status consistent with drop-down lists. Click the first empty cell under priority, go to the data tab, choose data validation, and under allow, select list. In the source box, type your options separated by commas like high, medium, low. Click OK. Repeat the process for status with options such as not started, in progress, completed. You can copy these validations down the column or apply them to the entire column before you start entering data. This keeps entries tidy and prevents typos. Now automate the days left calculation. In the first days left cell on your data row, subtract today's date from the due date. For example, if the due date is in column C, enter a formula that calculates due date minus today. Fill that formula down. Positive numbers mean days remaining, 0 is due today, negative numbers indicate it's overdue. Format this column as a number with no decimals for a clean look. Let's organize and visualize. Convert your range into a table for built-in filtering and styling by selecting your data and choosing Format as Table. Sort by due date to see what's coming soon, or filter priority to tackle high items first. Add conditional formatting to days left to call out urgency. Highlight values less than or equal to 3 in yellow and values below 0 in red. This gives you instant visual cues without extra clicks. If you'd rather not build from scratch, Excel includes templates. From the new workbook screen, search for task or assignment trackers, open one you like, and tailor the headers, drop-down options, and the days left formula to match what we set up here. That's it, simple, clear, and ready for real-world use. Update it regularly and let Excel handle the heavy lifting.